Hey, Insta, what is going on? It is Candy B here live out of Conyers, Georgia. Hope you're having an amazing, beautiful day. I have some exciting news for you. We have been in the house, and I know some of you are ready to get snatched. You're ready to get fine. You're ready to get your body right. So I want you to stay tuned for this info that I'm going to bring to you. It's going to be exciting. What's up, Brandy? Hey, boo. And I have a co-host coming up. Brandy, I love the active gear. Oh, my gosh, it smells so good. Smell delicious. Okay, hey Crystal. Let me bring you up. It was so soft. Girl, I was cute in my red. I love red. Red is my favorite color. I need some NutriBurst.
That's not a
Hey,
good
girl.
look. That's kind of faded out. Okay, let me see if that's better. Oh, trying to get my view going here. Good morning, girl.
Good morning. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday, girl. It is definitely that. I guess I'm gonna have to hold the phone. I hope I don't be shaking too much because it's like an
No, you fine.
overcast out here. Okay,
Oh, it's the same here.
overcast.
Brandy said you were cute. Thank you, girl.
Hey,
Okay. So
Brandon.
we won't hold you all long because Crystal, not Crystal, we both don't. Let me tell y'all something. I'm doing virtual learning. I'm going to let y'all know that every time I jump on because I know there's going to be new people. So I'm doing virtual learning. Crystal has somewhere to go. So Crystal, I let them know, excuse me, that, during these challenging times, some of us have been in the house eating snacks and some of us want to get our bodies right. And then, you don't have an accountability partner. So we're going to let them know about our fall back into fitness challenge. Okay. Y'all better get excited.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
So
guys. So
go ahead.
go ahead.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, with this pandemic and everything that's happening, everybody done put on COVID-15, COVID-20, COVID-30, you know, COVID something. So we had you guys in mind because we don't know what the fall and the winter months are going to be like. So we was like, let's get a grip on this before it gets out of control. Right. And so just doing this all together. So we as life changers came together, and what we are doing is we are hosting a weight loss challenge, Fall Back into Fitness, and it starts September 14th and it ends October 13th. So guys, you can do anything for 30 days. You can do anything for a day. Come on. So
Right.
we are inviting you to get involved in this challenge. The only cost to you is going to be the cost of making a kit purchase. And so you would get with one of the members of our organization and get with one of the members of our organization and decision about what kit we'll be able to counsel you and let you know what will work best for you. And so with that challenge, you're invited to a private Facebook support group.
Right.
You will have a meal. You can have access to a meal guide and food plans. There is live people going in there, live cooking, doing exercise. And so you're being encouraged, with a group of individuals. And so you're not doing it alone. You're getting the encouragement, the motivation, and everything inside of that group. And so those are some of the things that you will get. But guys, there will also be a monetary cash prize and a product cash prize. And our products as good as cash anyway. I'm just gonna
Yes.
say, those products
They
are as good
are.
as cash.
Yeah.
So we are inviting you to partner with us if you're not a part of our business, to partner with us and get involved in this challenge.
Yes. So, if if you're following Crystal, if you're following Crystal, reach out to Crystal. But I also want to share this too, ladies and gentlemen. Our clinical dietitian, Icy, she's gonna be in there making the meals and all of that good stuff. She has lost over 140 pounds. Yes, and she knows nutrition is a really big key. Not just taking your supplements, but also working out. We do all of that stuff. Okay. So we're going to teach you how to make being healthy a lifestyle, not just take your products. You got to work out. You got to do some walking. You got to eat, you know, change your eating habits. And as Crystal said, you're going to have accountability partners, okay? We're going to have our own private group chat. You can post your pictures. You know, so if you have not been able to see your feet, okay, ladies, if you have not been able to see your taco, fellas, if you not have been able to see your water hose, you need to go ahead and you need to be inboxing me or Crystal, okay, for real. Because we got no time for no excuses, okay? Because we know winter is coming, and it has been challenging for everybody, even for me, a person that is disciplined with working out, okay? But you heard what I said, the kids got virtual learning, you know, so I just did a little YouTube workout. It was supposed to be 30 minutes, but I can only do 20 because every 2 minutes, mommy, we got a lot, mommy. So, you know, you got to do what you can, but this is really going to help you get to the next level. We want to help you with your mind, your body, your spirit. And, you know, get that body right. Okay, get you some of them.
Right. Get you some guns. My guns. And I'm gonna be following along because I didn't get the COVID-15, but I just want to be able to maintain and knock some stuff off. And so, guys. I know, mommy mode, right? So I'm going to be following along, but like she said, there will be live cooking segments in there. Every Monday, the last couple of challenges that we had, Icy, like she said, who is a clinical dietitian, she just went live. So there's even videos of former things that she did in the past. There's information, because once you get access to the group, you have lifetime access, so you can go back and you can look at all of that information later if you like, you know, if you want to get started again or you want to continue on, you have access to that information forever. So it's a great way to get get your body snatched and get that stuff under control, you know?
Yeah, get that belly out your lap, because we ain't 2021 now.
Get rid of that gumpy.
Taco, you're too much. But that's the truth. You know, I speak the truth. A lot of people, I had a client that told me that one time. She said, girl, you know, my grandmother liked to say Lucy. You know, she said, I couldn't see my, you know, I'll say Lucy. You know, this is real life. We have to share what people really do go through. So, you know, some people can't see, you know, like I said, their feet, not they can't see their feet, they can't touch their feet. That's what it is.
And you know what? That is good. One of my clients had told me before where she couldn't even cross her legs. Yeah. You know, so I mean, guys, this stuff is serious, you know, and as we continue through this pandemic or whatever, guys, we need to be encouraging each other and boosting each other along, trying to make sure we maintain, you know, especially for people that look like us, you know. So I mean, for everybody, but you know,
I'm with you, girl. I'm with you on that. Yes, we gotta do better for real.
Covetta ain't been kind to us, y'all. So we need to make sure we get this thing under control. Yeah. So I'm just saying.
you speaking facts though. So that is all that we have for you. Like I said, if you follow Crystal, she's gonna share where you can find her on IG and Facebook. Reach out to her, reach out to me. And so, the last day to register is September 11th. Okay. Yes. So let me say real quick. If you bought products in 2016 or 2018, or you got a pack of tea from 20 years ago, no, you can't. You gotta buy fresh products, okay? You need to buy your products today or within September, you know, between now and September 11th. So if you got some old tea sitting somewhere, no, you cannot join. You need to get you a kit, okay?
And you need and you need to purchase 2 products or more, because one product is not going to get you gonna get you down. I'm gonna be
Yeah.
honest. One product is not gonna get, it's gonna move a little bit of weight, but not much,
Yeah.
So you need to it's a 2 product purchase or more, right? So make sure you get that's why you need to get with a life changer, because they can tell you what is needed based off of your situation. Instead of you going in there, I'm just gonna buy this, and then you get it and you say, oh Lord, that didn't work. But you have to do there's gonna be a weigh-in. So just to let you know, that information is gonna be private. Nobody's gonna see your before and after, so you don't have to worry about that unless you win. Now if you win, you're probably gonna be all over social media.
That's
But
what
if
you
you
want, though. You
win,
want to change somebody else's
right,
life.
right. If you win, you get that new body. You won't even matter. You won't even care.
You're right. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
So guys. So all right. So that's all I got, Ken. Oh, you can reach me on IG Crystal S Flowers, Facebook Crystal Flowers, and YouTube Crystal Flowers.
All righty. All right. See you all later. We will see you in the group. Yeah, because we know you're ready to join. All right. Bye.
All right. 2:00. Our 2:00. Candy.
Yes. 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 So, ladies and gentlemen, today is Monday, so we're getting it all together. I'm sure some of you are feeling the same way. So we want to remind you at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to tune in to Jack and John, where they're going to do giveaways, inspiration. Oh, let me add this too. So if money is your problem, the reason why you can't buy no products, you really need to be on the Jack and John show so you can start this challenge. Because if you comment, you could possibly win. I have a team member, Amistad. He won 4 bottles of liquid gold, also 100 points, which is equal to $100 in cash. So he can buy products with that money. So listen, get on over there. You don't have to be a life changer. You don't have to be a client. You can just get over there and comment and hear the excitement. And you never know, it could be you. If you really want something, that's how God works. Some people say the universe. I believe God is in charge of all of this. So if you really want something, you go over there, you position yourself with the right people, you get in alignment, God will make that thing work for you. Okay. It's called faith. So go on over there, get your products, and go over there. Because I don't want to say get your products because you might not win, but go over there and just enjoy the excitement and the inspiration and the energy. Okay. So you possibly could have a chance to win something.
Yeah.
Right.
You preach that faith message. I almost sent you an offering. You preached a faith message in like less than 30 seconds. In less than 30 seconds, she preached a faith message, man. Some of them preachers need to take notes. You can do this in 30 seconds.
Right. They had a cash up there too, girl. Okay, so the link is in the link is in the comments for you all to join the Jack and John show. So that is all. Have an amazing Monday. Bye.
Bye. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.